1962 Cuban crisis, Turkish carpet merchants smuggled the coordinates of a nuclear base hidden in a carpet in Moscow to the west. The fact that the carpet was woven with a double knot technique hid the code. The interesting part of the incident was that Turkish carpet merchants knew this. Why a Soviet nuclear base coordinates were woven into that carpet, and why Turkish merchants knew this, is still a matter of curiosity. Why did the Soviets make such a funny mistake? The carpet, which was later seized by the CIA, is being kept in a secret place in America.